Now, let's review some of the words and phrases that were used and learn their meanings. By following along, you can also practice the proper pronunciation of 10 key words and phrases which you can use in almost any office setting. You may pause the video and repeat after me as many times as you think is necessary until you feel confident about your pronunciation. Keywords and phrases. To catch someone. To meet someone somewhat unexpectedly or by coincidence. What's up? Another term for how are you or what is happening. You're in luck. To be fortunate in something. To cover something. To teach or learn about something. To hold on. To wait. Contact information. Personal information such as phone number, email address, etc. Objective. A desired outcome. To flip something. To turn something over or to move the positions of things from one side to another. Demographics. A particular sector of a population such as age, race, religion, gender, etc. To know how something works out. To learn about the results of something.